Hello everyone, my name is Tushar Garche and I am the core team member of laexcellence IS Academy. If you are in a Pune, we are going to conduct the free offline workshop with respect to UPSC strategy for 2025. हा वर्कशॉप होणार आहे ऑन 23rd August at 5 PM at laexcellence IS Academy, कुमठेकर रोड, सदाशिवपेठ, Pune. So I would request to every UPSC aspirant who is preparing for the UPSC 2025 from Pune to attend this our free offline workshop. In this workshop, we are going to discuss the strategy for 2025. In that, we will have an in-depth discussion regarding the prelim strategy for 2025 and main strategy for 2025. Besides that, so many aspirants struggle with the current affair. So we are having the strategy for the current affair also. Whatever doubts you are having regarding the UPSC preparation, we are going to resolve all the doubts in this our free workshop. So don't forget to attend our offline workshop which is at Pune on 23rd August at 5 PM. So see you there. Thank you.